guys, from 2017 2020, what is it, 4 GMC Yukon, Silverado, TAHOE, SUBURBAN. Let's install 22-inch wipers. So this is the Goodyear 22-inch. It's very easy. Have a protective sleeve right here. Just pull up, nice and clean. This is it. So getting our original. Oh, I need to. So there is a. Let me bring you guys closer. So on those slides, so on those windshield wipers, there is a safety a mechanism. Every windshield wiper is different. It's okay, just like this. So this was the safety. I guess this is the expensive one. I think this is the dealer ones, and this is the cheaper brand. So it locks right here, so you have to match it, kind of put it to the inside right there and just click it until it's click. Nope, it didn't click. I didn't hear the click sound. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so there is a push button, and that's what made it click. So it doesn't want to come out now. So it's the same link. Same link. Let's go and install the other one. I'll show you guys from the other side. Get it out, it's kind of challenging. So same thing. So on this, so it have a take it out and just slide it. Just make sure it doesn't do this, guys, because it can break your windshield. It's just, let me see. So it just broke my plastic, and it will break your windshield, I'm telling you guys. So it have that, let me show it closer. It have that locking here. Make a focus. So it have a lock here, right here. So when you put it inside, just push the button and it will click. Okay, let's do it. There is a button, click, and doesn't want to go anywhere. Here we go. It was pretty simple how to install those wipers.